This is the version 2 of the SB12 highly padded rolling 12-inch professional PA speaker bag that features multiple carry handles including a trolley handle, straps to secure your PA speaker, as well as side straps to carry your PA speaker stand, and a zippered pocket to bring along your wires, cables, and accessories. This bag is an upgraded version of our super highly popular and reviewed SB15 bag, but in a size that will fit 12-inch PA speakers. The bag has been upgraded from the original SB15 bag in the following 5 ways. Number 1. More padding was added throughout the bag to ensure maximum protection for your PA speaker during transport. Number 2. On top of adding thicker foam internal padding, a layer of plastic was added as well to give the bag an overall padded but semi-rigid feel to maintain its shape. Number 3. On the side of the bag now features a strap and pocket system to run your speaker stand through, so you can secure it with you and take it on the go with your bag. This allows you to organize each PA speaker and PA speaker stand together, so you always know you're not missing any equipment for your performance, show, or event. Number 4. All the zippers have been upgraded to high quality YKK zippers, and the zippers track have been made water resistant and have a clean and satisfying look because as you zip the main part of the bag shut, the material covers most of the zipper track. And number 5. We now include a protective and flexible square foam piece that's wrapped in strong cloth and serves multiple purposes. If your speaker is a bit smaller, either in height, width, or depth, you can place the foam on the side or top or bottom of the speaker to make it fit snugly in the bag like this. This square foam can also be added to the bottom, side, or top of your speaker as an extra layer of protection for your speaker. Now the bag will fit any 12-inch PA speaker that has dimensions of 17 inches by 18 inches by 25 inches or less. And when you open the main compartment, there are 2 straps with a buckle lock so you can secure your speaker tightly into the bag so it won't move or shift around during transport. We highly recommend strapping your speaker into the bag, especially if you're going to use the trolley and wheels to pull the bag. On top of the trolley handle, there are also carry handles on the bottom and top of the bag so you can easily place the bag on its back, and there are these rubber spikes on the bottom to keep the bag from moving or sliding while you are unloading or loading up your speaker. There is another set of carry handles that velcro together if you want to carry the bag horizontally instead of using the trolley handle, and the bag also features a giant accessory pocket that you can put all of your power cables, wires, microphones, and other accessories you might need for your PA speaker. This bag is going to become the one bag you need to transport your 12-inch PA speaker, accessories, and stands from gig to gig and everywhere in between. So if you're looking for a professional PA speaker bag that features multiple carry handles, a trolley handle, straps to secure your PA speakers, as well as a side strap to carry your PA speaker stand, and a zippered pocket to bring along your wires, cables, and accessories, look no further than the version 2 of the SB12 from Rockville.